Hi, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the cloud. We in the cloud have a lot of options. Software, programs, and in AWS there are a ton of things. So if you're new to the cloud, the first thing you're like is, hey, what's on the menu? This is how many things are on the menu in AWS. So if you have to learn what you're working with, it's hard to know if somebody didn't print a menu. So that's why we made a textbook. This textbook that includes all the services and all the programs in the cloud. So you can find anything you're looking for. If you go to a meeting and somebody says, hey, have you used AWS blank? Now you can look it up. But the book takes up a little bit of space in your bag, so I recommend that you at least get the bookmarks, because these bookmarks have all the services and you can use them to save your space in any book that you're reading. You put them on your desk in a little wood block so it looks really good. But these bookmarks are the way to get started in cloud, because AWS has tons of services and features. Some of them get deprecated, some of them are new, but you have to learn them all so you know all the tools to build in the cloud. But I think of it more like a restaurant. When you go to a restaurant, the first thing they do is give you the menu. And we have a menu. This is what we also call the folders or database poster. It has all the service in AWS, and they're in folders individually. So you can see what category has a lot of services, what's a new category, and then get started. So this is really the menu for AWS. If you're new, this would have saved me a lot of time in my first study group, because we had to make individual flashcards, like 140 flashcards. And by the time we were done, we were like, okay, we have to make another whole set of flashcards for all the new stuff. So this is something I wish I had when I started, and I think everybody should order the poster with everything on it, or at least a set of bookmarks. But for a professional that's working in sales, I recommend getting the textbook. And then bookmarks to save your space if you don't want to dog-ear your pages. And then you know everything that's on your menu for sale. And you can support that as well if you work in a support role. I used to work in enterprise support. So thanks for watching this video, and welcome to the cloud.